good, y'all? It's Road Runna Kicks reporting live from Exodus Boutique today. And today I will be rejuvenating Fendi designer sneaker. I lace these right quick. Let's get into the clean. So as you see right now, I'm using my soft bristle brush to go over to break up some of the debris on the shoe. Shoe's been sanding out, kind of dusty. So as you can see, I'm going in circle motion. I'm not forcing my brush because I don't want to damage the material on the shoe. Nor if I'm dealing with suede, I don't want to bleed the suede material to my brush at all. So you want to be very careful when applying pressure when scrubbing your shoes and cleaning your shoes, especially dealing with different materials. Still gonna use my soft medium bristle brush, circular motions, clean this tongue. Then we're gonna hit the inside. A lot of people ask me, Rick, why do you clean shoes? What do you get out of cleaning shoes? Well, for one, I'm bringing something that was so-called dead back to life, and two, it's just very therapeutic. And I love shoes. I'm a sneakerhead. So who doesn't like clean shoes? Who doesn't want clean shoes? So I clean shoes, for sure. Dry these guys up. And also, can't forget about the insole. Gotta clean that. So what I'm gonna take is my crepe multi-purpose brush that I use. Sometimes I use this brush on my first scrub. To break up debris, I usually start with my soft bristle brush, but today, since it has footprints on it, I'm gonna use my multi-purpose brush today. As you can see, the brush broke up all that debris. No more footprints like that. It's gonna be some because of the worn over period of time, but as you can see, no more footprints. So this guy, since this is a leather-based insole, this insole is gonna dry itself. I don't have to worry about airing it out, so we can put it right back in the shoe. Next, we're gonna tackle out my soles, the bottom. So I'm gonna use my stiff bristle brush and get the scrubbing. And oh, I forgot to mention, if you want to get these stuff out, you gotta get my scissors. Be right back. I got my trusty scissors. Now let's get the excess debris on the bottom of the sole out. Alright, so we got some of the majority off. I'm gonna go across my stiff bristle brush one more time to get the remaining debris off, and we're almost done with this clean. And some of it couldn't come off, but we got majority off today. Last step. Shoelaces a little bit dusty, so we're gonna get these guys clean. Take them, toss it in the water with the solution, wiggle it around a little bit. As you can see, the water's turning real dark. That's all the dust and dirt that was sitting on those laces over a period of time. Squeeze it out, put it back in, scrub them together, squeeze them out, take your rag, let it dry out. We'll do one more. And gonna let these laces dry for about 20 minutes. And the shoe is clean. And like I said before, there's some scuff marks on them today, but today we were just doing it clean.